Hello, hello! Welcome back to the YouTube channel Daily English Dialogues. I am Anna.
And I am Mark. Hello, everyone. We are very happy to see you here today.
Today, we have a very special episode. It is a long episode. We want to help you practice English for a longer time.
Yes, we will talk about daily life. We will talk about the whole day, from the morning when the sun comes up to the night when the moon comes out.
We will speak slowly. We will speak clearly. We want you to understand every word.
If you do not understand a word, do not worry. We will explain difficult words. We will repeat them.
Are you ready to start our day, Mark?
I am ready, Anna. Let's begin with the morning.
Mark, tell me about your morning. What is the first thing you do?
Well, usually, I wake up at 7 a.m.
7 a.m. That is a good time. Is it dark or is it sunny?
In the summer, it is sunny. The sun is bright. In the winter, it is dark. I prefer the summer.
Me too. Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I use the alarm on my phone. It makes a loud noise. Beep, beep, beep.
Oh, I hate that noise.
I hate it too. Sometimes I press the snooze button.
Listeners, let's look at that word, snooze. S-N-O-O-Z-E. Mark, what is snooze?
Snooze means to sleep for a few more minutes. I press the button and the alarm stops. I sleep for 5 or 10 more minutes.
I think many people love the snooze button. So after you wake up, do you get up immediately?
No, I like to stretch. I stretch my arms, I stretch my legs. It feels good to stretch in bed.
And then?
Then I get up. I put my feet on the floor. I stand up.
What is the first room you go to?
I go to the bathroom.
The bathroom. This is an important room. What do you do there?
First, I brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth. That is very important for a fresh smile.
Yes, I use a toothbrush and toothpaste. I brush for 2 minutes. Then I wash my face with water and soap.
Cold water or hot water?
Warm water. Cold water is too shocking in the morning. What about you, Anna? Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a shower every morning. I wash my hair with shampoo. I wash my body with soap.
I feel very clean after a shower. It helps me wake up.
After the bathroom, I go to the bedroom to get dressed.
How do you choose your clothes?
It depends on the weather. If it is cold, I wear a sweater and long pants. If it is hot, I wear a t-shirt.
Simple. I like that. Simple. I like that. We are awake. We are clean. We are dressed. What is next?
Now I am hungry. It is time for breakfast.
Breakfast, my favorite meal. I go to the kitchen.
What appliances do you have in your kitchen?
I have a fridge. It keeps food cold. I have a stove for cooking. And I have a toaster.
A toaster. What do you put in the toaster?
I put bread in the toaster. After 2 minutes, the bread becomes toast.
I love the smell of toast. Do you put anything on your toast?
Yes, I usually put butter and jam. Strawberry jam is the best.
Delicious. Do you drink anything?
Of course, I need my coffee.
Coffee is essential. Do you make it yourself?
Yes, I have a coffee machine. I put the coffee powder in, I add water, and I press a button. The coffee is hot and black.
Do you drink black coffee?
No, I add a little milk and a little sugar. I like sweet coffee.
I prefer tea. I like green tea or black tea.
Tea is healthy. Do you eat eggs for breakfast?
Sometimes. On the weekend, I make scrambled eggs.
That means you mix the eggs in the pan.
Yes, I mix them with salt and pepper.
So we eat breakfast, we sit at the table, we check our phones.
Yes, I usually read the news on my phone while I eat.
Me too. I check the weather. I need to know if I need an umbrella.
An umbrella. That is for the rain. Okay, Mark. Breakfast is finished. The coffee is finished. It is time to leave the house.
Yes, it is time to go to work.
How do you travel to your office?
I leave my house at 8 a.m. I walk to the bus stop.
The bus stop. Is it far?
No, it is only 5 minutes from my house. I wait for the bus.
Is the bus usually on time?
Usually, yes, but sometimes the bus is late.
That is frustrating.
Yes, when the bus arrives, I get on. I pay for my ticket, then I look for a seat.
Is the bus crowded?
Yes, in the morning it is rush hour.
Listeners, that is a good phrase, rush hour.
Rush hour is the time when everyone is going to work. There are many cars and many people.
It usually is at 8 a.m. and 5 p.m.
Exactly. Because the bus is crowded, sometimes I have to stand. I hold the handle and I stand.
And what do you do on the bus? Do you sleep?
No, I cannot sleep standing up. I listen to podcasts, like this one, or I listen to music.
That is a good way to use your time. I drive my car to work.
You drive, so you have to deal with traffic.
Yes, the traffic is bad. Sometimes the cars stop completely. We call this a traffic jam.
A traffic jam. That sounds boring.
It is very boring. I sit in my car, I look at the red lights, but I like singing in my car.
You sing. That is fun.
Yes, nobody can hear me. It makes the drive better.
So we arrive at the office.
We say good morning to our coworkers.
Coworkers or colleagues. These are the people you work with.
Mark, what do you do at work?
I work in an office. I sit at a desk. I have a computer, a keyboard, and a mouse.
What do you do on the computer?
I write emails. I create reports. I analyze data.
That sounds busy.
It is busy. Sometimes the phone rings. I have to answer the phone. Hello, this is Mark speaking.
Do you have meetings?
Yes, we have a team meeting every Monday. We sit in a conference room. We talk about our projects.
Do you like meetings?
Not really. Sometimes they're too long. I get sleepy.
Me too. But the best part of the workday is lunch.
Lunch break. Yes. What time is lunch?
Usually at 12 p.m. or 1 p.m.
Where do you eat?
Sometimes I bring food from home. I bring a sandwich or a salad in a box.
That saves money.
Yes. Sometimes I go to a restaurant with my coworkers. We'd eat pizza or burgers.
It is nice to talk to coworkers not about work.
Yes. We talk about our families, our weekends, or movies. It's a relaxing time.
After lunch, we go back to work. The afternoon is usually slower.
We look at the clock. We wait for 5 p.m.
Finally, it is 5 p.m. Work is finished.
We turn off the computer. We say goodbye to everyone.
I feel happy when I leave the office. I feel free.
Do you go home immediately?
Not always. Sometimes I have to run errands.
Errands. That is a useful word. Can you explain it?
Errands are small jobs you need to do outside, like going to the bank, going to the post office, or buying food.
Ah, yes. I often go to the grocery store or the supermarket after work.
What do you buy?
I buy fresh food, vegetables, fruit, milk, bread. I push the cart around the store.
Do you make a list?
Yes, I write a shopping list. If I don't have a list, I buy too much chocolate.
I understand. Chocolate is very tempting.
Sometimes instead of the supermarket, I go to the gym.
The gym. To exercise.
Yes, I like to run on the treadmill or lift weights. It helps me reduce stress.
That is very healthy. I am too tired for the gym. I just want to go home.
Okay, I am finally home. I unlock the door. I take off my shoes.
That is the best feeling. Taking off your shoes. I change my clothes. I take off my work clothes and put on comfortable clothes, like sweatpants or a t-shirt.
Then it is time for dinner.
Yes, in the evening I have more time, so I like to cook.
What is your specialty? What do you cook best?
I like making pasta. I boil the water, I chop the vegetables, I make a tomato sauce.
It sounds delicious. I am not a good cook.
So what do you do?
I often warm up leftovers, or I make something very simple like a soup.
Do you eat alone or with family?
I eat with my family. We sit at the table together, we talk about our day.
That is nice. How was your day? It was good.
Exactly. After dinner, there are chores.
Chores. These are the cleaning jobs in the house.
Yes, we have to wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes with a sponge and soap. Then I dry them.
Or you can use a dishwasher machine.
True. Also, I have to take out the trash.
Nobody likes taking out the trash, but we must do it.
Now the chores are done. The kitchen is clean. It is 8 p.m.
Now it is really time to relax. What is your favorite way to relax in the evening?
I love the sofa. I sit on the sofa and I turn on the TV.
Do you watch movies?
Sometimes, or I watch TV series. I like funny shows. I like to laugh.
Laughing is good. Sometimes I watch sports, football or basketball.
Do you use your phone in the evening?
Yes, I browse social media, I look at Instagram or Facebook, but I try not to look for too long. It is bad for my eyes.
That is true. Sometimes I read a book.
Reading is very calming. It makes me sleepy.
Around 10 p.m. or 10:30 p.m., I get ready for bed.
We go back to the bathroom. We brush our teeth again.
And we put on pajamas. These are special clothes for sleeping, soft and warm.
Then I go to my bedroom. I turn off the lights. It is dark.
I get into bed, I pull the blanket up, I put my head on the pillow.
The pillow is soft.
I close my eyes, and I fall asleep.
And usually, I dream.
And that is the end of the day.
Wow, we went through the whole day.
That was a long journey. Before we finish, let's review some big words we used today.
Snooze.
To sleep a little bit more after the alarm rings.
Rush hour.
The busy time when everyone travels to work or home.
Coworkers.
The people you work with.
Errands.
Small jobs you do outside, like shopping or banking.
Chores.
Cleaning jobs inside the house, like washing dishes.
Thank you, friends, for listening to this long episode.
We hope this helps you talk about your own daily life.
When you wake up, say, I am waking up. When you drink coffee, say, I am drinking coffee.
Small steps make a big difference.
If you liked this podcast, please like the video and subscribe to Daily English Dialogues.
Leave a comment below. Tell us, what time do you wake up?
We love reading your comments.
Have a wonderful day or a wonderful night.
See you next time.
Goodbye.